Welcome to What a GPT, your gateway to AI for everyone, every day. At BestoAI, we're on a mission to bring artificial intelligence to your daily life in a user-centric manner for digital excellence. Let's dive into the incredible features of What a GPT on WhatsApp. Simply send a message to What a GPT WhatsApp, and you're on your way to AI-powered responses. Use commands like menu for an interactive experience, customize language, update your profile, and choose from a variety of topics. What a GPT is designed for versatility. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, student, legal consultant, or someone seeking HR solutions, we've got you covered. Our pre-trained models cater to specific domains. Need legal research, document creation, HR assistance? It's all just a message away. Experience the simplicity of What a GPT. Navigate effortlessly through the user-friendly interface. Don't stop here. Explore the diverse functionalities What a GPT offers. From educational queries to legal assistance, the possibilities are endless. At BestoAI International, we believe in making AI accessible to everyone. Try What a GPT today and witness the power of AI for yourself. BestoAI International, AI for everyone, every day.